Hey there, YouTube viewers! Are you a fan of pickup trucks? If yes, then you should definitely check out the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This model is expected to receive some minor updates and changes as it undergoes a mid-cycle refresh for its fourth model year in the fourth generation of this popular pickup truck. The refreshed model will also introduce the Silverado ZR2, which will be placed between the LT Trail Boss and LTZ trim levels. However, the Silverado 1500 Limited, which made a comeback in the 2022 model year, won't be carried over into the 2023 model year since it was just a stopgap measure until the refreshed Silverado was ready for production. Production of the 2024 Silverado 1500 is expected to start late in the third or possibly the fourth quarter of 2023. These trucks are currently assembled in Silao, Mexico, and Fort Wayne, Indiana, in the USA. The Oshawa plant in Canada, on the other hand, is exclusively building Chevrolet Silverados. The plant started production with the Silverado HD in November, and it's set to produce the Silverado 1500s in the spring of 2022. This will make Oshawa the only GM plant exclusively making Silverado models, and the only plant making both light and heavy-duty trucks. If you're interested in buying a 2024 Silverado 1500, you'll be glad to know that this fourth-generation model is expected to remain in production until the 2025 model year. But don't worry, Chevy has an all-new, next-generation Silverado in the works, which is expected to launch after the 2025 model year.